Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a classic Dutch braid. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a section at the very top of the hair and you're going to split that section into 3 subsections. Section 1, 2, and section 3. Now what you're going to do is you're going to grab the side section and you're going to put it under the middle section. Now you're going to grab the other side section and you're going to put it under the middle section. Now we start integrating hair. So what I like to do is grab the 2 sections with one hand, drop the side section, grab some hair, integrate it into that side section and put that under the middle section. Again, I switch hands, I grab the 2 sections, drop the side section, integrate some hair into it and put that under the middle section. Grab both sections with the one hand, drop that side section, integrate some hair into it, and put that section under the middle section. Here's a different perspective to show you how I'm grabbing that side section. Again, grab it with one hand, drop the side section, scoop some of the hair into that side section, and integrate it under the middle section. You're going to continue doing this all the way down the head until you run out of hair to integrate. Once you've run out of hair to integrate, you're just going to continue that braid all the way down the head, 3-stranded normal braiding technique, and you are going to finish it off with a tiny little elastic. Now you can stop here and it's going to look perfectly fine, or you can jazz it up a little bit by pulling on the braid. So just be careful when you do this. Grab each side of the braid and pull it so that you create a more fanned out, thicker braided effect. It just makes it look a little bit fancier, a little bit more professional looking, and kind of jazzes it up a little bit. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to learn how I do a French braid and what techniques are used for that, then check out this video next. I'll see you next week. Bye.